Hi and welcome to the Fast Car Big Build in partnership with eBay.
So in this episode we're going to be, what are we doing this episode?
Well, I've just literally gone and picked up this absolute bargain.
It's a bit flash.
Hey, nitrous.
Happy days. So where's the car then?
Oh, the car, it's getting wrapped. It's down at RGVA.
So what do you want me to do then?
You? Got some packaging, mate, to do. Oh. I'm going to go and see how the boys are getting on. So here we are with some lovely 3M Satin Pearl White. Now, why do we go for Satin Pearl White? I wanted to do a little bit of a styling cue to the famous Honda Championship White, but of course got a little bit of a pearl in it, so a little bit of a twist. And as well as that, we're going to have the roof covered in high gloss black and the spoiler slat at the back as well. And it's a new film from 3M and it's got like a mirror-like paint-like finish. So it should look really trick. Now, let's go and see how they're getting on. So Jamie, looks like you're nearly there. You actually started laying the vinyl on Wednesday, didn't you?
Yes.
And now it's Friday morning.
Yep.
Is that a sort of standard amount of time to take to do a wrap?
It is. Obviously, depending on the vehicle and the size of the vehicle. With this one, it's just an exterior wrap, so it's pretty simple for the installer. But some cars have door shuts, back to doors, which then takes probably an extra day. So we're finishing up soon. It's been quite nice.
There we go.
Right, with that all done, let's go and have a look at this used nitrous kit he's bought. Now Jules saved a fair chunk of change on this and it's actually pretty good, but yeah, solenoids, wiring. Do you know what? I could sit here and work that out, but I'm going to go on holiday instead.
There we go, a full colour change on the car. It's gone from bronze to pearl white. It's looking absolutely stunning. There's not much left to do on it. We've got to get the wheels, get the seats in it and fit that nitrous. So that's where I'm heading now, to go and see Midge. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell